Good morning, friends, and welcome to another edition of Whitey's World. Today's adventure keeps us here in Page. We're going to do a series of local attractions for you and your family. This is located right next to Page Airport. It's called Golliard Park and Dog Park. So it's a great spot to take your pooch for the day and a family for a picnic. So as always, plan ahead, drive safe, and we'll see you on the road. Thank you for joining us. Golliard Play Park and Dog Park are located at 126 10th Street in Page, Arizona. Your dog can romp off leash at Golliard Park, and the park is surrounded by a 5-foot-tall vinyl-coated fence and features little and big dog runs, shaded trees, benches, and water. Golliard Park is a great place to hang out with family, friends, and is pet friendly. The park is well maintained and there is a large field, picnic tables, restrooms, and a newly renovated playground, as mentioned. The dog park is at the back of the park with 2 sections, perfect for a fun day with your family and your favorite pets. Golliard Park is a perfect spot for family picnics, birthday parties, and a safe fenced area to let your pets exercise and play with other pooches. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Whitey's World. Today's adventure took us to Golliard Family and Dog Park, located conveniently inside of Page, Arizona. Please take a look at our other videos that highlight the many adventures located near or in the wonderful city of Page, Arizona. We look forward to seeing you on our next adventure, and as always, plan ahead and drive safe.